So the way most tensioners work is as you tighten the bolt, it will draw the pulley in the direction you need to go to make the belt tighter. This one actually works backwards, where as I loosen the bolt, it actually pushes the pulley this way to make it tighter, because the belt would be this way, and it needs to slide open to make it tighter. But there's nothing to hold this bolt from stopping, so if you actually had a belt on here, it would just push it out. There's nothing to, no matter where this bolt is, there's nothing to stop it. So the original bolt design, or whoever designed this, should have had some kind of stopper here, and we're just going to cut in a notch in this on the lathe and install a C-clip that's removable, so you can put this bolt together, put a C-clip in, and then as you loosen this bolt, it'll have something retain it, and it'll push this thing open. Called an E-clip because it looks like any. Here's a closer look at what we did. We just made a groove for this clip to sit in. That clip is now stuck in there, and it'll hold the bolt where it needs to be. So now that bolt can't slide. So as you loosen this, it brings the tensioner out. So now this is the tensioner in place. The belt was going to go around all three of these pulleys. And to tension the belt, we can now loosen this bolt. The tensioner will get tighter. Whereas before, if you were to loosen this bolt, nothing was stopping this pulley from just sliding out this way. There's nothing to hold this bolt in place.